What's up, guys? This is Vanna with Cook with Vanna, and today I'm going to show you how to make some hummus, because we all love hummus, but be real, there's some weird stuff in hummus. I mean, like, what does this say? Potassium sorbate? I don't know what the hell that is. Soybean oil? I don't think I cook with that. So let's make your own. It's way easier than you think. Check it out. Don't judge my blender, okay? This thing gets around. So get your blender out. Then you're going to need some chickpeas. You can use organic chickpeas or AKA garbanzo beans. Take out some of the water, but actually leave like this much water in there so you don't have to put so much oil to make it moist. So let me drain the water. Perfect. Drained about half of it out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and dip in my canned chickpeas with a little bit of water. Okay, always wash your cans because there's funky stuff on the cans. People touch the cans. You open it could get inside, so wash your cans, okay? Wash those cans. Next is some tahini, which is pretty much sesame seeds that are blended, okay? Sesame seed butter, if you will. And sesame seed is actually one of the highest sources of calcium. So if you need strong bones, don't drink milk, people. Eat sesame seeds. So we need about a tablespoon roughly of that. That's the secret ingredient that makes hummus hummus. Maybe I'll put a little more just for fun. There we go. Garlic. I'm not making out with anyone these days. I put extra. You can do what you will with your garlic, okay? We need some olive oil. Now remember, olive oil is not for cooking with. It's for adding in either as a finishing oil or in this situation where it's gonna remain raw, okay? And then we're gonna need some sea salt or Himalayan sea salt. I mean, there's lots of trace minerals in salt. Salt's not bad for you people. Salt helps your body transmit messages. It's really important. Think about it. You sweat, you cry, it's all salty, okay? Then we're gonna take some cilantro. Always buy your greens organic. If you're not sure what to buy organic, just remember that 15 clean, you can Google it. That's the stuff that you don't need to buy organic. And then there's the Dirty Dozen, which they make every year, and it'll tell you what you definitely need to buy organic, okay? So put in that bundle, make sure you wash it well. There's definitely dirt all over that. And then next is we're gonna get some lemon. Let me grab a knife real quick. And you can use lemon or lime, but some type of citrus. If you don't have citrus, you can use like a vinegar even, okay? And then I just put my hand under so I'm not like getting any seeds in there. Although lemon seeds do kill parasites in the intestinal tract, so it's not a bad thing if you get a lemon seed, okay? There we go. Put extra if you like it extra like tangy. Now from there you can add jalapeno. I mean, even cilantro is just an option because that's how I want it today. Garlic helps preserve it longer, so if you're gonna keep it in the fridge longer, then definitely use more garlic. Okay, now we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend it real quick, and then we're just going to blend it and then top it with a little bit of olive oil and some paprika, and then voila, you have some hummus. You can do it too, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Cook with Vanna, or add me on Instagram, Cook with Vanna, for more recipes. If you have any specific questions, definitely email me or leave a comment. My email is cookwithvanna@gmail.com. Take care, enjoy your hummus, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. For more fresh recipes, check out Cook with Vanna on YouTube.